in Cantonese, we don't say mind your business. Instead, we would say 關你乜事啊？關你乜事啊？ If you feel like you want to more emphasize of that, or if you want to make it sound more impolite, you will say 關你鬼事啊？關你鬼事啊？ That means mind your damn business. So individually, 關 is mean close. You can, for example, use it for closing the door. You would say 關門. And 你 means you. 乜 is mean like what, what's up. And 事 is mean a matter of business. And is just an emphasis for the whole sentence. And it's the same thing for mind your damn business, except you replace the mud with 鬼, which 鬼 means a ghost. So again, if you just want to say mind your business, 關你乜事啊? And if you want to say mind your damn business, you say 關你鬼事啊? See, there's a big contrast there. So once more, 關你乜事啊? Or 關你鬼事啊?